I'm able to work faster than 99% of video editors. And I've put together a list of things that help me do this. So here are my secrets. And I'm making this video because I wish someone made a video like this when I was just starting out. Number 1, deep work. Now you may have heard of this, but deep work is powerful when you're trying to create something that is very valuable and unreplicable. You enter a deeply focused state where it's just you and there's no distractions. So close Discord, close any social media, throw your phone on the bed. I was gonna do it now, but I'm recording it with my phone. Open up your project and have a clear goal in mind with what you're gonna do. And then for the next 1 to 2 hours, you're gonna be focusing just on that. Try your best to not get distracted or do anything else while you're doing that. But actually, in one focused hour, you're gonna achieve more than you would in 4 normal hours of being on your phone in and out. Every time you check your phone or you get a notification, you lose focus for the next like 20 minutes and then you have to refocus. Now you probably wanted me to give you a quick tip like every other YouTuber would and be like, go to Windows settings and click this icon. Bro, this advice actually works, which is why I don't just want to give you 5 tips that don't really make sense. Go into settings and change this option. That's what I meant to say. Now when you're editing a video and you need to download any stock footage or assets in general, you will find yourself that you need to go on your phone. You want to do something else. I suggest to not do that because the best thing to do is keep editing the video, maybe set some markers or cut things up. Don't take your eyes off the screen. This is a mistake I found myself doing quite often. Number 2, presets. Presets and deep work are the 2 things that make up about 80% of your efficiency and speed in editing. So if there's one thing you can take away from this video, it's these 2 things.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Presets can be used for anything. Transitions, subtitles, zooms, VFX. Having presets saved in Premiere and After Effects and using them on a regular basis will actually save hours of your time. Now there's a few ways to go about this. You can either make the presets yourself by watching tutorials, by trying things out, or you can just buy them from someone and save time. Now I have a lot of presets in my private Discord community. Check out the link in the description. This brings us to our 3rd point, efficient and organized editing flow. Best way to edit during your session, I found, is to complete every part of the edit one by one, like pages in a book. And the order in which I go about it is something like this: color correction and general audio enhancement, cuts and video arrangement, making markers with notes or importing assets straight away, animating the assets and doing VFX, adding subtitles, zoom-ins, sound effects, and then music. And it's very inefficient to do all these things at random without any order because it takes away from your ability to think creatively and you have to make decisions, which actually drains you. So the best way is to just have a set routine and know what things you're gonna do one by one. Number 4, shortcuts. I'm sure you know about shortcuts, but just in case you don't, I'm gonna tell you the basic ones like C for cut, Q for ripple cut, space for play and pause, and many others, which I'm going to link in the description or put on the screen here. Go ahead and look at them after this video. Number 5, accessibility in your editing software. Now, if you use plugins like Mr. Horse, Motion Array, or Flow, which are accessed from the Window tab, you must do this. Grab your plugin from the 3 lines and drag it somewhere in your workspace, then save it. I guarantee this is going to speed up your workflow because you won't have to look for the plugin or wait for it to load. Number 6, storing your sound effects, assets, music, and memes in a place that's easy to find and well arranged so that you don't have to spend time finding them or downloading them once again. So just allocate a folder for everything that you use in editing. Maybe even put all your projects in there. For example, what I do is I have an external SSD where I store every single one of my projects, assets, everything that's to do with editing, and that speeds up everything so much because I can just take it on the go. Yo, if this disconnects right now, this SSD is 1 terabyte and I put everything on it. The only thing I have on my actual internal SSD is programs. Stay focused.